Hello, welcome back. If this is your first time, you're most welcome to Ghana Lotto TV. Yes, on the 28th October 2025, we have Lucky Tuesday. We have what? Lucky Tuesday. And you are lucky to come across this video. I have lucky numbers for you today. Yes, in Monday special, we nearly blown the two show again. But 88, the banker went +1. 16 played live. It's no easy. 48 to win +10, 58. the first three. But for the events, the underlying events, one number played from each. So if you were able to combine this middle number with any of these two, then you had two direct. 16 played from here, 12 played from here, and then 16 again from here. Alright, if we were by any way benefited from the 16 that played or these events, congrats to you. And let's see what Lucky Tuesday offers us. This time I'm always targeting the two show. Yes, I'm always targeting the two show. But the permutation too is good. It's possible 3 numbers will drop from the permutation one day. Yes. Bonanza, the two show drop live. Monday special too. Oh, but it's a game. Just +1. This primary 1 mathematics +1 caused a huge loss. We were close to a massive win. Alright, enough of the long talk. So before I start with today's plan, give the video a thumbs up. If this is your first time or if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, hit on the subscribe button. Why should you subscribe? Yes, the importance of subscription is this. When you subscribe, anytime I upload a new video, YouTube will notify you. YouTube will alert you. But if you don't subscribe, there will be a time you will not be receiving my videos. You may search, but they will give you different things. Alright. So hit on the subscribe button to join Ghana Lotto TV officially. Yes, so last week these were the draw numbers: 58, 20, 41, 44, 65 for the winning. And then the machine side, 29, 62, single 2, 67, single 8. Alright. So yes, you know, you have been following me for the past few days. You know my method. Initially, people didn't take it serious, but they are seeing the results. Alright, so I have 3 events again for today, and I have picked out 6 numbers like yesterday. So let me take you through the circle plan first. Circle plan. Each event has a plan, and then we are using these 2 numbers, 58, 44. They are key numbers I've been using. And then let's see straight away. So you meet 76 in winning, and then it's 10 at machine. 76 in winning, then it's 10 at machine. The following week, constant number 58. You meet 58, constant number. Your next event. This is your next event. Yes. So this 76 will go +10 and +1. Will go +10 and +1 as your live to direct. 76 will go plus 10, 86, and plus 1, 77. So these two numbers are in the game. Even 28. Yes, 28 is in the game. 28 is in the game. So I picked these three numbers from this particular event. Yes. Alright. So the next one. Yes. So when you come to the kernel, you meet 76 in winning and then 67 at machine. The following week, 58 key. Then so this 76 will jump and play plus 10 and plus 1. Plus 10 and plus 1. But another possibility is that this one can come minus 1. That will be 75. You can see the 75 lap 44 here. But 75 is not in the game, but it's in one of the events. I didn't pick it. Here you see that 44 plate, 44, 58. So this particular event is good, but I picked out only 68. Okay, let me take you through this particular plan. Why I picked out 68 from here. You meet 86 in winning. Then you count 3 weeks down, 1, 2, 3. You meet 44. Yes, so this 86, either it will jump and play or the 10 will play. Either 86 will jump and play or the 10 will play. And then we have taken 86 from here already. So we will add a 10. We have taken what? 86 from here already. So we are adding the 10. 68 to the numbers. 68 to the numbers. Okay, so making 4 numbers. 2 more numbers. 2 more numbers. So when you come to the kernel, you meet your 86 and win. You count 3 weeks down, 1, 2, 3. You're 44. You meet your 44. So the 86 here, this 86 will move and play live, or it will turn. It's possible it will move and play with the turning. So you have number and is turning play. Okay. Then this particular one, the blue plan, where we picked another 10 numbers from. You meet single 6. The following week you meet 85, either in winning or machine. You meet 85, either in win or machine. Then the following week 44. The following week 44. So this is your next event. So here you meet your single 6. The following week 85, followed by 44. So your next event. So here I picked out 72 and then the 10. You see that the following week is 10. So one of them will come. I picked out 27 and then the 10. 27 and the 10. And see that 28 is hovering around here. And the 27 can actually play plus 1. See that the 28 is here. 27 is here. These two, one will come. And then 27 is turning. 1, 2 will come. So these two are in the game, added to the 4 numbers, giving you 6 numbers. Yes. So these events, they are good. You have the strength. Remember what happens in Monday special. 1 number drop from each event. Hey, that's serious. So this is a game for Lucky Tuesday on the 28th October 2025. 68, 86, 72, 27, 77, 28. Your live 2 show, 86, 27. Yes. Why is 27 the second banker? 28 minus 10, minus 1, you get 27. 72, the 10 of 72, you get 27. All right. So if you want to contact me on WhatsApp, yes, this is it. And for rewards and support, this is my Momo line, MT Momo. This actually Telecel Cash too, is on Telecel Cash, but there are difficulties around it. So for rewards and support, this man Momo line, my official Momo line. Alright, you are not giving the video a thumbs up yet, hit on the like button. As I said, subscribe to the channel so that anytime I upload a new video, YouTube will create your awareness. YouTube will create your awareness. Many more wins on the way. Many more winning on the way. Alright. Good luck. And see you tomorrow for midweek predictions. Thank you for watching.